Your BMW has been doing more than you think, and most owners never realize it. Not because these features are buried deep in menus, but because BMW never clearly explains them. Today, I'm breaking down 10 built-in BMW functions that very few drivers actually use. These aren't gimmicks. They're practical features that can save you time, prevent costly mistakes, and make daily ownership easier. And the last one is something even longtime BMW owners almost always miss. Number 1, the telescopic sun visor. While many drivers assume the visor is fixed in place, many BMW models feature a slide function that extends your sun protection exactly where you need it. This isn't just about flipping the visor to the side window, it's about making it longer. Here's how it works on supported models. Once you unclip the visor and move it to the side window, you can actually pull the arm to extend it further. This gives you much better coverage for those low-angle sun situations that standard visors can't handle. The extension mechanism is built right into the visor arm, but it's not immediately obvious how to use it. You need to grip the visor itself and pull it away from the mounting point while it's positioned at the side window. The arm will telescope out, giving you several more inches of sun protection. The mechanism has a smooth sliding action and locks into place at the extended position, so it won't slide back on its own while you're driving. This is particularly useful during sunrise and sunset drives when the sun is at that perfect angle to blind you despite having the visor down. Keep in mind, this isn't universal across all trims and model years. Check your specific model year and region, as some base trims may have a fixed-length arm. The feature is more common on higher trim levels and newer models, but it's worth checking regardless of what you drive. Number 2, comfort open and close. This feature allows you to vent your car before you even reach it, or close everything up remotely for security. It's one of those functions that feels almost magical once you know how to use it. Holding the unlock button on your key fob typically rolls down windows and opens the sunroof. This is perfect for hot summer days when you want to start cooling down the interior before you get in the car. The reverse function, Comfort Close, works by holding the lock button to close everything. However, here's where it gets complicated. Comfort Close is often restricted in North America for safety and liability reasons unless your car has specific coding or the Comfort Access package. Availability varies significantly by region and model year. The system includes multiple safety sensors that will stop the closing process if anything is detected in the window path. You'll hear a distinct beep pattern when the system activates, and all windows move simultaneously rather than one at a time. The timing is crucial. You need to hold the button for the entire duration of the operation, which can take 15 to 20 seconds for all windows and the sunroof to complete their cycle. In markets where it's available, Comfort Close will roll up all windows and close the sunroof by holding the lock button. The system includes safety features that will stop if it detects an obstruction, but legal concerns have limited this function in some areas. Check your owner's manual or try it in a safe area to see if your specific model supports both directions of this feature. Number 3, battery management power save mode. To prevent battery discharge during long periods of inactivity, BMWs equipped with iDrive 7, 8, or 9 offer sophisticated power-saving settings that most owners never discover. This can literally save you from a dead battery situation. Look for deep sleep or vehicle power-off options in your system settings to shut down non-essential electronics. This is especially important if you're storing your car for extended periods or if you don't drive daily. The system is smart enough to prioritize critical functions while shutting down things like interior lighting, infotainment standby power, and other convenience features that can slowly drain your battery. You can usually find these settings in the vehicle menu under Power Management or Battery Settings. The system will automatically wake up essential functions like the alarm system and remote start capabilities while keeping everything else in a true sleep state. Modern BMWs can lose significant battery charge just sitting in your garage due to all the electronic modules that remain active, so this feature can extend your battery life by weeks. The Power Save mode is particularly valuable if you have aftermarket accessories or if your BMW is equipped with features like ambient lighting and heated seats that draw power even when the car is off. Here's the tricky part. The exact menu path and naming convention change between iDrive versions. What's called deep sleep in one system might be battery saver in another. Consult your digital owner's manual in the car for the specific steps for your software version, as BMW has updated these menus several times over the years. Number 4. Disabling interior motion sensors. This feature is essential when you leave a pet briefly in the car or need to disable the alarm's interior sensors for any other reason. It prevents false alarms while maintaining perimeter security. Double pressing the lock button on your key fob within 10 seconds of the first press usually deactivates the interior tilt and motion sensors. This allows air circulation or movement inside the car without triggering the alarm system. The confirmation signal can vary by market and model year. Usually, you'll see a solid red light under the rearview mirror instead of the normal blinking pattern, indicating that interior monitoring is disabled while perimeter security remains active. The system is sophisticated enough to distinguish between different types of motion, so it's not just turning off a simple sensor. BMW's interior monitoring includes tilt sensors that detect if someone is trying to jack up the car or tow it, as well as ultrasonic sensors that detect movement inside the cabin. When you disable the interior sensors, the perimeter sensors around the doors, hood, and trunk remain fully active, so your security isn't completely compromised. Here's what many owners don't realize. This setting typically resets every time you unlock and relock the car. It's not a permanent setting, which is actually a safety feature. Check your regional documentation to ensure the command has been accepted, as the confirmation signals can differ between markets. Number 5. Automatic Curb View Mirror. This feature can save your expensive BMW wheels from costly curb damage by automatically showing you exactly where the curb is when you're parking. It's a real money saver for anyone who parallel parks regularly. When the mirror selector switch is set to the driver's side, the passenger mirror will tilt down automatically when you shift into reverse. This gives you a perfect view of the curb and your rear wheel position. The key to making this work is having the mirror memory package and ensuring the selector is in the correct position. If your mirror doesn't move when you reverse, check that the mirror selector switch is set to the driver's side position, not the passenger side or center position. The mirror will return to its normal position automatically when you shift out of reverse, so you don't have to remember to readjust it manually. The system is smart enough to remember your preferred tilt angle even if you adjust your regular mirror position, keeping the two settings completely separate. This feature has probably saved BMW owners thousands of dollars in wheel repairs over the years, as even a minor curb scrape can cost several $100s to fix properly. The tilt angle is usually adjustable through your iDrive system settings. You can customize how far down the mirror tilts to get the perfect view for your driving position and parking style. Some drivers prefer a more aggressive angle for tight city parking, while others want just a slight tilt for general awareness. Number 6. Wiper Service Mode. BMW wipers sit tucked under the hood line for aerodynamics, making them impossible to lift manually for cleaning or replacement. Service Mode solves this problem by moving them to an accessible position, To change or clean your wipers, you must enter service position by turning off the ignition and holding the wiper stalk in a specific position for several seconds. This moves the wipers to the middle of the windshield where you can access them. Here's where it gets tricky. The exact stalk sequence can be either up or down, and the duration depends on your specific model year. Some models require holding the stalk up. Others require holding it down, and the timing can range from 3 to 10 seconds. The wipers will move slowly and deliberately to the service position, and you'll hear the motor running even though the car is off. This is completely normal and won't drain your battery significantly. Once in service position, the wipers are locked in place and won't move even if you accidentally bump them, which prevents damage during maintenance. The wipers will move to the service position and stay there until you either turn on the ignition or manually move them back. Always check the maintenance section of your manual first, as BMW has changed this procedure multiple times across different generations. Getting it wrong won't damage anything, but the wipers simply won't move to the service position. Number 7. Programmable memory hotkeys. Even with the move toward touchscreens in iDrive 8 and 9, the concept of programmable shortcuts remains a BMW hallmark. You can save almost any screen or function for instant access. You can save almost any screen, from a specific Navigate Home command to your tire pressure monitor, by holding down a physical or digital shortcut button. This creates instant access to your most used functions without navigating through multiple menus. The process usually involves navigating to the screen or function you want to save, then holding one of the programmable buttons until you get a confirmation. The system will remember that setting even after the car is turned off and on again. The memory hotkeys can store complex sequences, not just simple menu items, so you could program a button to automatically set your climate control to a specific temperature, adjust your seat position, and switch to your favorite radio station, all with one press. The system can typically store 6 to 8 different hotkey combinations, depending on your iDrive version. These shortcuts work faster than voice commands and are much more reliable than trying to navigate through touchscreen menus while driving. As physical buttons disappear in newer models, these shortcuts have transitioned into a quick select pull-down menu in iDrive 9. The concept remains the same: quick access to your preferred functions. But the method has evolved with the technology. Check your iDrive version to see whether you have physical buttons or digital shortcuts available. Number 8. Remote 3D View. If your car has the Parking Assistance Plus package, your phone becomes a remote surveillance hub that can show you a complete view around your parked car. This is incredibly useful for security and situational awareness. Via the My BMW app, you can pull a 360-degree snapshot of your car's surroundings in real time. This uses all the parking cameras to create a comprehensive view of what's happening around your vehicle. The system can show you if someone is too close to your car, if there's been any damage, or simply give you peace of mind about your parking situation. The image quality is usually good enough to read license plates and identify people near your vehicle. The 3D view updates in real time, so you can watch activity around your car as it happens, not just see a static snapshot. The system can even detect and highlight movement in the camera feeds, drawing your attention to potential issues. This feature is particularly valuable in crowded parking lots or urban areas, where your car might be vulnerable to damage or theft. Here's the catch. This is a subscription-based service in many markets and requires a strong 4G or 5G connection for both the car and your phone. The feature may not work in areas with poor cellular coverage, and there may be ongoing costs associated with the data usage and BMW's connected services. Number 9. Launch control protocols. BMWs are drivers' cars, and many non-M models still feature a performance start mode that can dramatically improve your acceleration times. This isn't just for M cars. Regular BMWs often have this capability too. The process usually involves Sport Plus mode, moving the shifter to S or manual mode, and a specific brake and gas pedal sequence. The exact procedure varies significantly between models, but the concept is consistent across the BMW lineup. Here's the critical warning. Misusing launch control can put serious stress on your drivetrain. Each model has a specific cool-down period between launches and a set number of allowed launches before the system requires a brake. The car tracks this usage and will temporarily disable the function if you exceed the limits. The system monitors transmission temperature, engine temperature, and other critical parameters to protect your drivetrain from damage. When launch control is active, you'll see specific indicators on your dashboard, and the car will hold a precise RPM until you release the brake. The acceleration improvement can be dramatic, often cutting several tenths of a second off your 0 to 60 time compared to a normal start. Always verify the exact steps in your owner's manual before attempting launch control. The procedure can involve specific brake pedal pressure, accelerator positioning, and timing that varies between models. Getting it wrong won't damage your car immediately, but it won't give you the intended performance benefit either. Number 10. Integrated Drive Recorder. If your BMW has 360-degree cameras, it may also have a built-in dash cam function that most owners never discover. This can be invaluable for insurance claims or security purposes. The Drive Recorder app can record footage from all 4 sides of the vehicle during a drive or when an incident is detected. This gives you comprehensive coverage that no single dash cam could match. The system can automatically save footage when it detects a collision or sudden deceleration, but it can also be manually activated to record specific situations. The footage is stored on the car's internal memory and can usually be exported via USB or the BMW app. The recording quality is typically high definition from all cameras simultaneously, creating a complete record of any incident from multiple angles. The system can store several hours of footage and automatically overwrites the oldest files when storage is full, unless they've been marked as important incidents. The Drive Recorder can even capture audio from inside the cabin, though this feature may be restricted in some markets due to privacy laws. This feature must be manually activated in the menu first. It's not enabled by default. Additionally, its availability depends on your local privacy laws and the specific camera hardware in your car. Some markets restrict this functionality due to privacy regulations, while others require specific consent procedures before activation. These 10 hidden BMW functions showcase the incredible engineering depth that goes into every ultimate driving machine. Each feature represents BMW's commitment to combining performance with practical intelligence, often in ways that aren't immediately obvious to the average driver. The beauty of these features is that they're already built into your car, waiting to be discovered and used. You don't need expensive upgrades or dealer visits, just the knowledge of how to access what's already there. BMW's philosophy has always been about creating cars that reward the enthusiast driver. These hidden functions prove that even in an age of increasing automation, BMW still believes in giving drivers control and capability that goes far beyond the obvious. Take some time to explore your specific model and discover what secrets your BMW has been keeping. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.